What's up, class? I want to show you guys a little video on how to make your blog website using Wix. Wix is completely free, which is why we'll be using it. You can do anything you really want. I'm going to show you kind of a simple blog that I found that was easy to edit and kind of walk you through the steps of how to upload your resume, podcast, blog, or vlog. Just to give you guys an idea when you guys go about this for creating your site as well as uploading all of your content. So what I did is you created an account for Wix. I then went to blogs and forums. I found the fashion and beauty blogs were the easiest to work with, and this one had a nice style and was the easiest to edit. So we'll wait for it to load. So now that it loads, you'll see that you guys have this nice video that'll kind of walk you through how to edit your Wix website. But the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to walk you guys through kind of the layout that, if you're going to do this layout, kind of what it should look like. But again, sky's the limit on whatever you want to do. Just want to make sure that we have all the content in one spot. So I'm going to delete this, get rid of the little squiggly, just too fashionable for me. I'm going to add just a nice simple heading. Click, we'll bring it up to the top. We get it. And when I edit, I'm just going to put my name up at the top, so that way I know who you are, whose website this is, even though you will submit the links in Canvas. If I want to, I can change the font size, make it bigger, make it smaller, hopefully make it roughly the same size again, and then I can move it wherever I want. From here, now I want to change the background. You can upload an image of yourself if you want, or you can just change the header design. So the header is different than the page background. I'm just going to go with a white. And then here's the page background. So as you can see, as you scroll, it'll go through that image and kind of slide up and down. So I'm going to change the background. I found a cool image of books. And so I would like to use that book image, which is right here. Done. We're going to close that. So now this allows the top of my kind of menu bar to pop up nicely. If I want to edit that, I just click this design. And now I can change it to however I want. It can look like that. We can make it to where it lights up. Maybe there's a black bar that goes over the top of it. Maybe you want lines in between. Again, use your creativity, whatever you want to do. I'm just going to click on this, so that way when you click on one of the pages, you know what you're clicking on. So now style is your choice. I'm just going to edit this text. I'm going to put kinesiology, Kin 102. We're going to edit this and make sure that we have, there you go, unbold it, or I bolded it, there you go. And I would like to change the font. Let's just make it lobster, why not? And let's make it a little bit bigger. And then if you want, you can change the color of it, so on and so forth. We're just going to leave that for right now. You can see kinesiology 102. And if I want to change background, and if I keep scrolling down, you'll see that we have links to already the blog. This is an advertising. We're going to edit this. There's this contribution. We're going to edit this. This is going to be your about page. So hello, I am not Jessica, but I am Josh. And what's cool is that this read more is already linked to the about page, so you guys don't even have to deal with that right now. Now this advertise page, we're going to have to unlink this, and so we want to change our menu bar a little bit because we want to have our blog / podcasts, and then we want to pretty much just have our about page. So we're going to keep it nice and simple. We're going to manage our menu, we're going to get rid of this members page, and we're just going to delete it. I'd love to delete it, yes. Contact page, we don't need people to contact us. Going to delete it. Advertising page, we are not going to be advertising, so we're going to delete it. Then we're going to move our about right before our blog, and for the blog, I would like to rename blog and podcast. This keeps it nice and simple, all in one spot, and we're going to close it. So it brought us to our blog page. I want to click navigate. I want to go back to this home page. So we're going to end up setting all of this up. So here's our blog. It pops up at the bottom of the home page, which is awesome. But I don't like the way that it is set up. So what I'm going to do is hit settings. I want to go to display. We're going to make sure that we don't have any of this stuff displayed. We just want the title displayed. And then the layout right here. I'm a big fan of the postcard. It just looks kind of clean. And we are going to then close it. So now the bottom of our page looks nice. That's where all of our podcasts will also pop up. Or podcasts and blogs. So let's go back to this menu. We're going to manage menu. It didn't get rid of our members page, so we're going to delete that. Yes, we'd love to delete it. And now I want to go to the about page. So here's where you're going to have a little bit about you. So there's that picture. If I want to change that, I'll change the page background. And, I can change it to whatever I want. Let's make this one palm trees. Even though you want to have some consistency, you should probably do the books again. So where'd those books go? There they are. And let's just apply it to other pages. All pages, blog, perfect. Applied it to all of our pages, so now I don't even have to worry about it. And then here's the about me. That is not what I look like. So we're going to change the image. And let's just add this one. I found very few pictures of me on my computer. So this was a workout that I did at a competition. How do I get this to actually show my face? Well, it comes up cropped. And so I'm just going to bring it right there. You can now see my face. So if your image doesn't pop up the way you want it to, it's just because it's cropped. And so you just have to change that. We're going to have a little blurb about us, who we are. Fantastic. You can have your social stuff. You can get rid of it. It's up to you. All this stuff down here, you don't need a mailing update. Again, if you want to have any of your social profile stuff, again, up to you. So there's our About Me page. Hi, I'm Jessica, and I'm Josh, and I'd like to be a serious fashionista? Fashionist? I don't know. Is fashionista, is that male, feminine? Not sure. We're just going to leave it. I want to be a fashionista, have some type of style. So there's the About Me page. Then we're going to go to our blogs and podcasts. This is where we're going to actually upload all of our stuff. I'm not a fan of this style. Again, it's just kind of big and clunky. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to our settings. We're going to go to our layout. And like I said, I'm a fan of this editorial one, or even the postcard is nice and neat. Within our display, not a huge fan of all the comments, so you'll see everything kind of going away as I uncheck those boxes. That makes it nice and clean. So all we're seeing is the title of your podcast, the title of your blog or vlog, and we are just going to close. I tried to figure out, we can just leave, so this life right here is a category, and this login sign up is something I haven't quite figured out how to get rid of, but it's all good, not a huge deal for what we're trying to do. Now, if I want to create a post, so we're loading. So I want to create a new post. I'm going to show you guys a couple different things. So, catchy title. The first one I'm going to upload is the vlog. So here I'm going to add the video vlog that I created, and I just need to go to my YouTube. Awesome. I'm going to pause that. I'm going to click the URL, go back to my Wix website, input the URL, and then I'm going to add now. Well, I also want to make sure that I have a cover. I want to change the cover because that's just not a cool looking cover. And let's make this our cover. Can I move that? Probably can't change it or edit it too much. So let's just leave it at that. Now I publish, and my vlog has been updated. Let's make another post. We're going to create a post. Catchy title. This is just going to be blog. So this blog, I did a little snippet blog on water. So I'm going to open that up. This is my sample blog post. We're going to copy. We're going to paste. Post settings. I want to upload a cover image. I want something different, so I'm going to go back to my APU courses. I have a water logo right here that I'm going to upload. And then I also have a no carbs logo that I want to upload. So that's how we upload different logos or different pictures. Click done. I want to use the water logo. We're going to apply, and we're going to go done. We're going to hit publish, and there we go. We have our blog and our vlog, and actually I'm going to edit this because this is all about no carbs. Add, we're done. Publish the changes. Now I want to, this is where we're also going to upload our podcasts. So I want to create a new post. Add a catchy title. Let's go podcast. And here we're going to click these little arrows, insert HTML code, add. And when you guys do all your podcasts on your phones, you can actually go to the Anchor website. Okay, when you go to your profile, so I went here, I went to view profile, this all pops up. We click here, it's going to play a little bit, but I want to share it. I'm going to embed right here, hit Control C, add it there, update. I can change the size, width, height, and then I'm going to upload a cover image, and here's the Anchor image. Again, you can make it whatever image that you want, and we're going to hit publish. So now if we leave this, we will see that, well, my settings didn't stick. So my settings, my layout, should be postcard. There we go. And there's my podcast, vlog, and my blog. And if we go to the home page, we'll see that they're updated right there as well, which is super nice and neat. So I'm going to end this video right now, and then I'm going to show you guys how to link some of these pages to your About Me pages and your blog and podcast.